Yeah, I just finished my first class, or my second class, sorry. It was awesome. It was a very calm energy, actually. I tried to get them into a different type of vibe because they've been going so hard the whole time. I wanted to focus on the emotion behind movement, and I think it really caught on. We really built up that energy, and they gave me amazing energy back. So yeah, it's amazing to be back here again. Thank you so much, Fair Play, for having me. I'm really thankful to be able to talk to these students, to have this connection. I am talking way too much right now, so I'm gonna say peace out. I'm out of here, and hopefully see you guys next year, because you're really missing out if you're not here. This is amazing platform, and okay, sorry, I'm out.
Turn my shit up, I'm so lit up. Why I keep up, I got mixed up. She on this club, probably won't fall. I do not come, put your hands up. All of these drugs, probably your plug. Go wish me luck, don't break a leg. I'm not shooting, top of my day. How do I look? Look like that.
What's up, Fair Play Dance Camp? Unfortunately, I just finished my last class here. This year was absolutely crazy. Blew all my expectations out the water. I cannot wait to come back. See y'all soon. Peace.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is JK Sanchez coming from Prague, Czech Republic, house dance represent. And I just want to say thank you so much that you took my class today, because I was really nervous that like nobody will come. And yeah, it was a really nice, beautiful class. And I tried to give you some house knowledge. And tomorrow I'm gonna do the lofting. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Fair Play crew. Thank you all the students, thank you like all the teachers to give me inspiration and to be a better dancer and a person. So yeah, thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the camp, enjoy the day, enjoy the life, and be happy. Peace.
What's up, guys? I just finished my first class at Fair Play. It was insane. Clearly, I look a mess, so which means it was insane. Especially having other teachers in my class was so great. Students were amazing. I mean, there's really nothing more that I expect from Fair Play. I'm so happy to be here. Yeah, if you're not here, you're missing out. It's my second year, and it feels like, I mean, the experience is always insane. So thank you so much, Carol, for having me back, and I love you all.